Sales teams and hospital staff can now accurately track medical consignments with any smartphone. Turn your mobile device into a powerful barcode scanner to read UDI labels with 1D and 2D barcodes. Capture multiple barcodes on a label at once, and easily record non-barcoded items for improved tracking. Never miss a product thanks to fast and accurate data capture in any hospital condition, like low light or glare. No need for training or the expense of additional hardware. Scanning inventory at the back of top shelves is quick and easy. On lower shelves, staff can also scan stock comfortably thanks to the scan range being double that of dedicated barcode scanners. Stock taking is made much more efficient by recording the content of an entire medical shelf at once at a fraction of the cost of RFID-based technology. With critical information such as expiration dates displayed instantly, you can reduce the cost of overstocking and enhance safety compliance. Protect your revenue by accurately recording medical device consumption immediately before surgery. And digitalize patient sheets to save healthcare workers precious time and ensure correct stock replenishment. Integrate the Scandit data capture engine into any app, or simply install turnkey scanning applications to accurately monitor stock levels, track medical device consumption at point of use, and lower your hardware costs. Know exactly where your medical products are and when they're used with Scandit Computer Vision.